All right, folks, this is a must-have in your truck or in your car. Jump starter, air inflator, power bank, and LED lighting, especially for emergencies. Let's open it up and let me show you what's inside. Full disclosure, AUTOONE gave me this unit for free to review on the channel. So let's test it out and see how it actually performs. Okay, well, right from the get-go, the boxing is amazing. There's the accessories right over here. This is for the jump start. We'll show you how to use that to recharge your unit and devices, to inflate the tires, instructions, and additional accessories for other things such as bicycles and footballs and so on. All right, so let's get to the unit now. Nice and packed, heavy. AUTOONE. Very nice and compact to carry. All right, so let me show you now the functions of it. Power, memory, plus and negative. All right, so let's turn it on right now. This is the on button. Kart mode, 36 PSI. Motorcycle mode, and you can change the PSIs, obviously. 35 PSI. Bicycle mode, 45 PSI. Baseball balls, basketball balls, 8 PSI. And then, of course, you have another one for customization. And you have the plus and minus to go up and down on the PSI, right? We have over here the LED lights. Either you're working on the car at nighttime for an emergency, or you're stopped and you can use those as emergency lights. So this is a light that you can use to work or see where you're going. And then these are the emergency lights, bright white and bright red. All right. Then you go here, and this is for the jump start. And how to use the jump start? Well, you plug it in. I mean, you can only plug it in one way. Once you plug it in and you see the green light, you're ready for jump start. You also have instructions over here. You know, the green and the red. I mean, if it's green, you're ready to go. If it's red, there's some type of issues. You just go ahead and read it and determine, you know, what's the issue. And then we'll show you how that works later on with 2 different tires that we're gonna test it on. So this pretty much concludes the unit in itself. It's pretty compact and it's powerful, to be honest with you. It's actually a very nice unit. A must-have for a car or truck. I definitely suggest for you to get one of these. All right. So if you're interested, click in the link below and get 15% discount. All right. Let's get to it. All right, folks, the tire is up to 20 PSI. We need to bring it to 36. Let's bring the air compressor and see how long it takes. Here we have the air compressor. The first thing you have to do, you have to turn it on. Once you turn it on, which I'm gonna do it right now, you have to choose the air pressure that you want. In this case, you use the plus or negative to choose what you want. In my case, I'm gonna be used 36. And take a look at, folks, it's reading 18 and I need to go to 36. So now let's see how long it takes to inflate the tire. I have a stopwatch also to show us, you know, how long it's gonna take. 3 minutes and 37 seconds to go from 20 PSI to 36. All right, folks, we're gonna use a different tire to do the same test. This is a 35 tire from a Jeep, a very strong, big tire compared to what I have in my Ram. We're gonna do the same test. It's a 20 PSI, we're gonna bring it to 36. Let's see how long it takes. right, folks. It took 5 minutes to inflate this big ass tire. Keep in mind that I inflated also the tire on my Ram. So this is 2 tires, one after the other one. So it's actually a pretty powerful unit to get you out of a bind if you're somewhere where your tires are de-inflated. So one of the things that I want to show you, that we went ahead and inflated 2 tires, one for a Ram 1500 and another one for a Jeep, and only utilized 25% of the battery. So this is a pretty powerful unit for you to have, whether it's a car, truck, or Jeep, and for an emergency, works great. We went ahead and tested the air compressor. Now what we need to do is test the jump starter. All our car batteries are working functionally correctly, so we couldn't use it. So what we decided to do is do it on this Furman almost 10,000 watts generator without a battery to see if it actually starts it. All right, this is a big ass generator. Let's see if it starts it. So let's go ahead and try it. I already plugged in the negative and the positive. As you guys can see, there is no battery. All right, so now we're gonna turn it on. There we go. All right, folks, not only the compressor filled up 2 big ass tires from a Ram and a Jeep, but it started also a big ass compressor without a battery. This unit really works, folks. I highly recommend for you to have it in your car or in your truck. And if you have an emergency, that will get you out of it. All right. Please subscribe and like, and look at the link below. If you want to purchase one of those units from AUTOONE, you'll get 15% discount. All right. Thank you for watching.